In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Workspace account, 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in as a super administrator. Deleting a Workspace account is permanent, so take a moment to back up anything important, emails, drive files, calendars, and any records you might need later. If your organization has multiple subscriptions or add-ons, plan to cancel each one before you delete the account. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser and sign in. From the admin homepage, head to Billing. This is where all of your active services live. Next, open Subscriptions to see everything your organization is currently paying for. Find your Google Workspace subscription in the list and click into it. You'll land on a details page for that subscription. Look for the More menu, usually near the top right of the subscription details, and click it. From that menu, choose Cancel Subscription. A confirmation flow will open. First, select the reason you're canceling. This helps Google understand why you're leaving, but it doesn't change what happens next. Click Continue to Proceed. You'll now decide what happens to your data. Read the options carefully. Depending on your setup, you may have choices for exporting or transferring data before deletion. If you haven't already, this is your last chance to make sure critical files and messages are saved elsewhere. Once you're comfortable, continue to the final confirmation. On the summary screen, review all the information shown. Check the acknowledgement box to confirm you understand the impact, then type your administrator email address exactly as requested. This is a safety step to prevent accidental deletion. And click Cancel My Subscription. Repeat this process for any other active Google subscriptions or add-ons until everything is canceled. When all subscriptions are canceled, return to the admin console homepage. Go to Account Settings. From there, open Account Management to permanently delete the organization's account. This action removes your workspace organization, user accounts, and associated services. It's irreversible, so proceed only if you're absolutely sure you no longer need access to data, mail, or services associated with your domain. Follow the prompts to confirm. Once complete, your workspace organization will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind, services will stop working and users will lose access. If you need help or run into billing holds, suspensions, or domain transfer questions, consult Google's support resources before you finalize deletion. That's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription and removed your Google Workspace account safely and correctly.